Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making cheesesteak sandwiches and I'm using my Cook's Essentials electric skillet. Alright, it's time to show you how fast this all comes together. I have one red and one green bell pepper and one onion sliced, and I have some marinated, thinly sliced steak. First, I start off by sauteing the vegetables until they are tender. Once the veggies have had a few minutes to cook down, I move those to the sides and I added in the steak. Now, when you do this, please add oil to your pan first. I forgot, so I had to do it after the fact. But I'm adding in my steak that's seasoned with salt, pepper, granulated garlic, soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Here, I am just seasoning the veggies with a little salt and pepper. When the steak is almost done cooking, it's time to go ahead and mix in those peppers and onion. Now it's time to melt some cheese. So I have some slices of provolone and I'm just sitting them right on top of the meat, and I'm just going to let the heat from the pan melt that cheese up. And I've got a hoagie roll and I'm spreading a thin layer of mayo on both sides, and I'm toasting those up on a griddle. And once my buns are ready and the cheese is melted, it's time to serve up those sandwiches. See, I told you this meal was going to come together fast. These sandwiches are awesome with some chips, some french fries. I just threw some frozen tater tots in the air fryer and we were good to go. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!